Hello everyone, Shalom. I am Djulio Fernando Putra Hutabarat, or you can call me as Djulio. Now, I am a college student and I am studying at Universitas Indonesia. I am one of the alumni of Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy who have graduated in 2016. I have studied at Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy since I was kindergarten until junior high school. Now, I will tell you why my parents sent me to study at Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy. Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy is an excellent school where they will guide their students to be excellent in character, excellent in English, excellent in math, and excellent in art. Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy also has been accredited. Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy also has English club, has choir practice, music practice, and many else. When I studied in Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy, I have learned many things that I never got in public school, such as every morning we used to follow the Bible before the class begin. We used to do ACTS pray, and we used to go to chapel every Wednesday morning. That helped me to grow in faith and spiritually. Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy also have good and experienced teacher. So for all the parents, what are you waiting for? Let's send your children to study at Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy. Thank you all. That's all from me. God bless us.